thing in his mind nung pinabomba niya yung Iran is a blackmail from Israel.
If we stood and waited for that attack to come first before we hit them, we would suffer much higher casualties. And so the president made the very wise decision. We knew that there was going to be an Israeli action. We knew that that would precipitate an attack against American forces. And we knew that if we didn't preemptively go after them before they launched those attacks, we would suffer higher casualties and perhaps even higher those killed. And then we would all be here answering questions about why we knew that and didn't act.
This basically reduces the risk premium o yung dagdag na bayad dahil sa panganib ng pagdaan sa Hormuz. Think of it as yung binabayaran mo sa HMO every month, sa insurance mo every month, just in case magkasakit ka. But instead of you getting a CNAT o cold, it would be a ship getting bombed by an Iranian missile. So basically, sinasabi nila, bayaran mo ako ng 10 piso, dagdagan mo ng 10 piso yung bayad mo sa akin, just in case. Kasi syempre, I'm basically at a lot of risk. Kumbaga, high risk tong ginagawa ko na dumadaan sa active war zone. So give me 100 pesos on top of whatever you are paying me para dumaan dun sa Hormuz. Matatandaan naman nating sumirit ang presyo ng mga produktong petrolyo before pa ma-deplete yung buffer stock ng Pilipinas. All points lead to, in my opinion, tinaas na nila yung presyo nila kahit naghahanda pa lang silang umorder ng bagong supply ng langis. Basically reaping the upside while offloading the cost ng mga risk to the already struggling Filipinos. Basically, binibenta nila ng mas mataas na presyo yung natitira nilang supply na binili nila sa mababang halaga kasi baka hindi sila makabili. And instead of eating the loss or risk like a sympathetic multi-billion conglomerate,